Welcome back to CopTool. I'm Scott alongside Rob, and it is Friday, January 25th.
Milwaukee puts another tool on our backs, and Dirt Monkey takes us back to SEMA.
Kyle combs some snow, and TBB plays with oil. Those stories and more coming up next.
This is your CopTool Weekend Review.
Milwaukee continues to roll out new tools in 2019, as this week they launched another addition to their M18 platform, the M18 Switch Tank. Milwaukee Switch Tank is a battery-powered sprayer with the option of 3 different tank and hose applications: concrete chemicals, pesticides, and water supply for concrete cutting. You know, it seems like Milwaukee's dropping a new tool on us every week, leading us to wonder exactly how big will the announcements be at NPS 19 this year. Will they abandon batteries altogether for a corded future? Will they switch all their tools to teal? Who knows? I guess we'll just all have to wait to find out.
So that Festool table saw with saw stop tech finally showed up at trade shows this month, but many of our Festool fans were even more interested in the first appearance of the cordless Festool Vecturo multi-tool. Tools by Design showed off a series of photos of the long-awaited version, including an updated example of their popular plunge base. Now, we're expecting performance to just about match that of Find's 18-volt supercut, mainly because reportedly Find makes Festool's motors and electronics. When we asked Festool fans if they'd buy the new tool, they laughed, and then they cried and handed over their wallets. You can see the new Vecturo at Tools by Design on Instagram.
New Craftsman 20-volt tools continue to find their way to the shelves and aisles at Lowe's. Clint over at PTR got his hands on the new Craftsman 20-volt half-inch hammer drill and gives us a quick review. It performed well in their testing despite the lack of a side handle for heavy-duty jobs, but in the end, PTR came away asking a fairly important question. Why would you spend that kind of money when you could just go get a Milwaukee for the same price? If you think you have the answer to that question, you can share it at Pro Tool Reviews on YouTube.
Celebrity landscaper Stan the Dirt Monkey took a look back at both SEMA and Apex conferences this week and put together a list of what he believes to be the best new automotive and mechanics tools of 2019. That includes air-powered floor jacks, mechanics tool sets, wheel dollies, and more. Now, Stan also discusses the frustration a lot of fans share because the public isn't welcome at these important events. We can't speak for the event managers ourselves, but I'm pretty sure they're busy enough with just one Dirt Monkey at the show. Fortunately, Stan does a great job of sharing what he finds on Dirt Monkey's channel on YouTube.
There's no shortage of great projects being posted each day, and lucky for us, we have Sarah here to sort it all out. It's time for Sarah's Projects of the Week.
Hey everybody, so January is just about done, which can only mean one thing. It's almost my birthday.
Stay focused.
Well, it also means that Valentine's Day is right around the corner. So if you are planning on making something special for your someone special, and you probably should, you should also get started. I found this project from Zach over at The Cutting Board over on YouTube, and he made a simple wine bottle display with a piece of wood that balances on the wine bottle, and it holds 2 wine glasses on either side of the bottle. So he, in this video, used several different types of wood, but I'm sure you could use a single block of wood if that's what you had laying around. But the best part about this project is that Zach used many different tools that you probably already own in your shop. So it's a win-win. You get to spend more time in your shop making things, and your significant other gets a beautiful, thoughtful gift to display all year round. Now, this next video was actually sent to me at projects@coptool.com from another Zach, but this one is from Southern Ginger Workshop. Zach has multiple projects in this video, but my favorite one is this towel holder. It is a huge heart-shaped piece of wall art with hooks at the bottom for your towels. Now, he used scrap pieces of wood that he already had in his shop, so again, it's super simple, but something beautiful that also has everyday function. Now, you can check out the other 2 projects that he had in the video over on his YouTube channel. Thanks, Zach. Now, if you find a project or you have a project that you think that I should feature, please email it to me at projects@coptool.com.
Early in December, Kyle from RR Buildings posted an Instagram video where he used Makita's paddle sweep attachment to shovel snow. Somehow the snow paddling video went viral and to the tune of 2.6 million views. So this week, Kyle posted a follow-up on YouTube in response to the many negative reactions on Instagram. Many commenters suggested the tool wasn't a serious contender for professional work. But in the new video, Kyle takes his time not only demoing the new tool in deeper snow, but this time he makes a case for using the system as an affordable, quieter, and easier solution to gas snowblowers, even in a commercial environment. If you're still doubting the viability of the Makita paddle sweeper, take the time to visit RR Buildings on YouTube.
Toolbox Buzz gave us another head-to-head video this week, this time reviewing oil impulse 1/4-inch impact drivers from Makita, Rigid, and Milwaukee. These types of impacts first started to appear in 2016, promising better durability, less vibration, and most importantly, a far quieter alternative to a traditional impact. In true TBB fashion, we get a thorough review from the Pro's Pro, who puts these drivers through their paces like only Robillard and his merry men can. If you want to see the final scores for yourself and need an impact driver that's easier on your hands and your ears, check out the article and the video at toolboxbuzz.com.
We first reported on the new Milwaukee Mega Press XL ring kit in last week's episode, and we're happy to report we can finally see them in action thanks to Eric at Mechanical Hub. The 2.5-inch to 4-inch IPS XL ring kit fits directly in the M18 long throw press tool, enabling it to press Viega Mega Press XL fittings without the use of an additional tool extension, while expanding the array of jobs that the tool can accomplish. Eric's review gives you all the reasons why this ring kit is so great, and in seconds, his demo on 4-inch pipe is complete.
Good job, Milwaukee.
Good job indeed. If you're ready for a set of your own, they'll be available in May of 2019.
You may not be able to tell from our cheery demeanor, but Sarah and I just got back from the world of concrete late last night, and as soon as we're done here today, Scott and I will be working around the clock to get our new footage up for you to enjoy. We'll be posting videos from Makita, Hilti, DeWalt, and many, many more. So be sure to subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss a single video from the 2019 World of Concrete.
All right, guys, that's going to do it for our 44th episode. Thanks for watching. Rob, it is our 4th and final week of giving away Milwaukee Packout as our weekly prize. So we got to go out with a bang. What do we have?
We saved the best one for last, clearly. And actually, I can show you what you're going to win this time. There, you got to lift it over your head for it to work. There you go.
Yeah, wow.
So just like in past weeks, we've got the large rolling toolbox in the bottom, which has the handy dandy extendable handle up there. But this week we actually are including the large toolbox, which you see right up here. It's not the small, it's not even the medium, neither of which actually exist. It's the large toolbox. This guy is absolutely huge, comes with a bunch of, what is it, like sorting containers and stuff inside for organizing your tools. It really is pretty awesome. I'm gonna put this back down now just so we can talk.
Thank you. Hello.
Because it leads us to our question though. So this guy, that's actually ours. So we are very fortunate Milwaukee sent us our own, which we're going to be using in an unconventional way. So we're actually going to be customizing our Packout system to hold all of our video production equipment for taking onto the job site when we do our inside looks. So that leads us to our question this week that we want you to answer in the comments below. If you were to win, tell us one unconventional use you would apply to the Packout system. So what's one thing you would use it for besides toting around your tools?
Excellent. And guys, don't forget, if you don't win this week, you can buy all that fantastic Milwaukee Packout gear and more from Milwaukee at ohiopowertool.com. So before you go, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week.
Bye.